Residual bills demand residual income. That's the math no one argues with. I'm John Solly, and I rebuilt from zero more than once. I've also seen the hype, the churn, the MLM traps dressed up as opportunity. This isn't that. Today, in the truth about HBA, no MLM, no hype, just residuals, I'm showing you exactly why a $25 system can outperform the $147 a month guru funnels, and why the bonus for joining our team is built for real world results, not empty promises. Stop! Think about this for a second. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't own a business, you own a job. When I started over, I made a decision. No more chasing big ticket illusions that collapse when the hype fades. I wanted a work from home business that paid me residual income every month. Use internet marketing tools I could actually master, and fit a long-term affiliate strategy instead of 90-day sprint. I tested HBA quietly. No ads, no blitz launches, just a digital marketing strategy built on trust and proof. Here's the truth no one told me. When you stop selling and start mentoring, your conversions go up and your stress goes down. Drop a quick watching in the comments so I know you're here. Every comment is a key toward the next unlock. So I'm going to actually stop and do this a little bit different. I'm going to actually show you the results you can get with this system. I'm going to show you a video that I made today, right? That premiered today, right? And in YouTube, check it out. Why HBA works for beginners. There's my video. Make money online with JJ. 9 views only 13 hours ago. So that was today's video. So let's see if I can rank for more than just Google, number 1. This is an ad. It does not count. Okay? You can see I'm not signed in. This is legitimate. So I'm going to go to Google. And I'm going to go Bing too. Right? We're going to do it all the things. This is AI answer. Doesn't count. Right? And these are sponsored, blah, blah, blah. So look at this. Number 1 video. Why HBA works for beginners, even if you failed before. 13 hours ago. YouTube, make money online with JJ. So number 1 for Google, number 1 for YouTube, right? And we're going to check Bing, right? And guess what? This is an answer, and the first link is why HBA works for beginners, even if you failed before. But it doesn't show my thing, so we're going to check and make sure this is the right video. Should say make money online with JJ, right? And there we go. So as you can see, I'll show you the full title. Why HBO works for men, and it should be 13 hours ago, right? 10 views, 13 hours ago. So I'm number 1 in Google, number 1 in YouTube, and number 1 in Bing. For a video that has 10 views 13 hours ago. Okay? That's powerful, and you can do this too. You can do this. It's just following the simple steps, cutting and pasting, and staying consistent. Because the more you post, the more authority you get with YouTube and Google and Bing. The more you post, the easier it gets. And we're going to teach you copy and paste, simple steps, and have videos for how to do every single step by step. So would you like to have this? Would you like to not only learn how to do this, but also learn attraction marketing and how to get daily leads, traffic leads, and sales for any program? All you got to do, I'm going to tell you more later, is join HBA with me at the $25 level, the cheapest level, and I'll give you this training for free. Now, it's not free for me. I'm going to pay for this. And not only going to train you, but we'll train your people on how to get daily traffic leads and sales. So you will become build like a clone army, okay? Everybody is going to get trained. You plug them in this, and you get paid in SFW. I'll show you in a minute. And you get anywhere from $3.50 to, check this, $1,500 instantly to your payment processor of choice. So if you want to get paid with Facebook Pay, you want to get paid with Walmart to Walmart, you want to get paid with Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, whatever, Bitcoin, Litecoin. You want to get paid in gold, you can get paid in gold. There's a way to do it. Okay? That's powerful. And you get instant commissions. So you just plug these people in, right? And you get paid instantly. And they get trained. And you don't have to train them. You just have to send them an email and welcome them to the team. Pretty cool, right? And then they're trained on autopilot. Because that's the hardest thing, not making money. But then harder than that is to duplicate your success for others, right? But again, I showed you I was the number one on YouTube, right? Right here. Okay, number one on Google. And then number one on Bing, right? For a video 13 hours ago. Over powerhouses, like all these videos, okay? There's another one, right? That's the YouTube video. But yeah, you can do this, okay? And here's a Google right here. We're going to check this real quick. And then I'm going to move on, okay? And I'm going to show you our team's actually winning. It's not just me, okay? So we're going to check real quick YouTube, all right? All right. So we're going to check right here live. Nine views 13 hours ago. It's actually 10 views, okay? But look, this guy's got 2.6 million views. I have 10. 2.6 million views. But guess who's number one? Me. 2.6 million views. I'm sure he's a powerhouse, by the way. Got a lot of subscribers. Let's go check. It didn't work, but you get the picture, okay? Okay, let's strip this down to the numbers. ClickFunnels, $147 a month. Great tool, but heavy overhead. You need multiple sales just to break even. HBA Funnel Builder, $25 a month. 80% commissions. You heard me right. 80%. That means 25 gets you 20. 120 gets you 100. And they have one-time sales. 80%. Yeah, you guessed it. 80% for those two, right? So, let's do the math on that. Let's say you have, after 1 year, you have 50 people. Okay, so you're going to have to remember a little bit. 50 times 20 is 1,000. Okay, but that's the basic level, okay? Now, remember the 1,000, all right? We'll clear it. And let's say you have 20 people paying you $100 a month. So 2,000 plus 100 is $3,000 a month. And guess what? With most programs, that's a hell of a month. But guess what? It's now, let's say it's out now October. And guess where you start? 0. You start over again. Now with this program, because you get paid residually, guess what? In October, your rent is due. Your electricity probably is due that month. Your car note is probably due that month. It might not be due on the 1st, but it is due. You're going to have to buy groceries, right? Okay? Let me get another thing. Gas. Cell phone. Netflix. All these things. Cable. Okay? All these things are residual bills. Don't you need residual income? Okay, guess what? Most of these programs, MLM, you're starting them from scratch, okay? This program, you're not, okay? Direct sales. So, for example, not network marketing. Digital marketing is very popular right now. But guess what? In the next month, you start over from scratch. Okay? You might have earned $50,000. Guess what? The next month you earn from scratch, and you might not get a single sale. Nothing in your life is guaranteed. But guess what? This $3,000 is guaranteed if you have the $20 a month customers and the $100 a month customers. You start over at $3,000. You don't start off that month at $3,000. So let's say you get another $1,000. Now you're making $4,000 a month. You see how that compound? It's like a snowball going downhill. Okay. By the time it starts, snowball is nobody's worried about snowball. But if it's running downhill, down a mountain, or down a volcano, or whatever it be, like Mount Vesuvius or something like that. by the time it hits the ground, it's an avalanche, okay? That's the type of leverage this program and residual income will do for you, okay? Now, some examples. 5 active customers is $100 a month residual. 25 active customers is $500 a month residual. And 125 active customers is $2,500 a month residually, okay? That's residual income. Affiliate marketing, not one-time wins. And here's the most marketers skip. HBA's mentor-based affiliate system is designed for quiet creators. You can generate leads, traffic, and make sales without becoming a full-time content machine. This can be done in the cracks and crevices of your life. I do most of my marketing on the way to work, during my breaks at work, on my way home. Join HBA at the $25 level through me, and I'll personally cover your entry into Simple Freedom Orders. It's free for you, but it's not free for me. I'm paying it out of my own pocket because I believe in you and I want you to win. I want you to get the tools that I got. I want you to get the life-changing training that I got. Not just you, but your team too. Giving you and your team the ability to become elite affiliate marketers, to dominate leaderboards, build daily lead traffic and sales while growing your email list. You heard the term, the money's in the list? That's true. Earn instant commissions from $350 to $1,500 regardless of level. So, if I get you in the $7 level and you get a $3,000 all-in customer, guess what? You get $1,500 to whatever processor you want. That's powerful. You show me somebody else is doing that, right? This is the home-based business opportunity I wish I had when I started. Okay? A passive income stream that compounds trust and reach. Save this to your playlist. You'll want to revisit the math when you're mapping out your own residual income plan. Every comment is a key. We're pushing towards the next unlock. At 250 unique commenters, the rules change. You'll need to watch the next video and find the hidden secret word. Only correct secret word comments count towards the next unlock, okay? I'm giving away free AI prompts, okay? And 12 of them at that. Tag someone who needs to see this before the next threshold. We're at the moment of truth. What's the biggest shift you've made to move from hype-driven sales to residual income? This is the truth about HBA. No MLM, no hype, just residuals. Okay, and I want to show you one thing before I go, okay? I want to show you how this works. So I'm going to go to my website. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Now I'm going to show you not only that I have about 80 funnels, but I'm going to show you how to copy, how this is copy and paste simple. I'm going to copy this title. I'm going to go back to this one, right? I'm going to change this title, right? Instead of Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System, right? It's now why HBA works for beginner. So we're going to go back to that video, right? I'm going to share this screen. I'm going to copy this link and watch this. This is powerful, right? I'm going to change this video. You see the guy saying DFY Marketing System? That's me, right? Paste. Boom. Different video, right? Why HBA works for beginners, even if you failed before. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Can you do simple copy and paste stuff that will change your life? People say, oh, I do it for my daughter, or I do it for my wife, or I do it for my mom. But what are you really doing? Because most people will spend months looking at a program, hemming and hawing. Oh, should I do this? Oh, what if it fails? Guess what? If you've already failed if you never try. Okay? All these people had these dreams. You may have dreams. I had dreams too. But guess what? If you don't get off your ass and change your life and your situation and really try, then you're never going to achieve your dreams. Okay? Now, this is simple. You can do this. Okay? I'm not going to save the changes. Yes, I'm discard. No discard. I'm going to show you how many videos I have. Okay? These are all video funnels, right? So 80 different ones. This is a duplicated video. So 79 different videos that I've turned into all funnels. Okay? And you could do this too. This isn't just for me. This is for you. Imagine everything I said for you, me, coming, you and your team. Okay? This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.